Hello students, good afternoon all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to your online classes. Today's your maths lecture. So students, already we have starting the new exercise. So first of all, let's see here the before starting our chapter good chord. So now let's see here the first chord here all students. So now let's see here the what is today's chord. Let's see here. The roots of education. You know what is the meaning of roots? I think you all know, you already learn in this in science. The roots of education are bitter. Bitter means we don't like this taste. Bitter is taste and we never like this. We never like this taste. Okay, so it's called a bitter, but the fruit is sweet. You know all this word. Okay, so meaning of what? The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Understood? So now students, let's move on. What we have done in last sessions. What we have done in our last sessions. So students, first of all, we are doing last lecture revision, then subtraction with 0 and 1s, and exercise number 3rd C, and regroup the subtracts. Which next topic is what? Regroup the subtracts. Regroup the subtract. Understood? I hope you all are remember this all things what we have done in last lectures. That's why, so students, now we are going to on further sessions. Okay, so today we are going to learn what? Today we are going to learn what? First, revision. Revision means what? Revision of exercise number 3rd C, question number 2. Okay, so I hope you subtract the following. Question number 2, subtract the following. Checking subtraction with addition. So today's is how many topics, students? First of all, exercise number 3rd C we have done only question number 1, but still students, we are starting today question number 2, subtract the following and checking subtraction with the addition. Understood? So now students, we are here starting the new topic. New topic means new exercise. Question number 2, subtract the following. Subtract the following means we have already done subtract the following, but here the difference is as like that regroup or subtraction. Understood? Same question, but we have to do, must be doing here. So let's start here the exercise number 3rd C, question number 2, subtract the following. What? Which one exercise? Exercise number 3rd C, question number 2, subtract the following. So now students, can we start the question number 2? Yes, we can start here the question number 1 or 2. So question number 1 is what? 360 minus 142 is equal to how many? Okay, so question number first is what all students? 360 minus 142. Again and again I am repeating you, 316 minus 142. So now let's do step by step. We are going to learn subtractions. Okay, so first of all, 0 minus this 2. 0 minus 2, is this possible all students? No, we cannot take out from 0 to 2. So students, that time what we are doing, that time we are taking the borrow 10 minus this 2, 10 this 10 and minus this 2, 10 minus 2. So how many students? 8. We have, let's use students, do with your fingers 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2, so how many? 8. Understood all students? Now what we are doing, we are cut the further digit. So here cut the further digit and put this small digit. Cut the 6 and put the small digit 5. So 5 minus 4, 5, this 5 and minus this 4. 5 minus 4, is this possible all students? Yes, is this possible? 5 minus 4, so how many? 1. 5 minus 4, so 1. Now for the step 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, so how many students? 2. Understood? 3 minus 1, so 2. So answer is what coming, all students? 218. What? 218. Understood? Now we move on. Second question, question number B. 550 minus 235. What? 515 minus 235. 550 minus 235. So let's do here, solve the question. 0 minus 5. Students, we can take out from 0 to 5. No, we cannot take out from 0 to 5. So what can we do there? That time we are taking the borrow. 10 minus 5. This 10, because of we are taking borrow, so put this 10 minus this 5, 10 minus 5. So how many students? 5. Do with your finger. 10 minus 5, so how many? 5. And then we are cut the further digit. We are cut the further digit 5 and put this small digit. What? Cut the 5 and put the small digit 4. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, how many students? 1. 4 minus 3, 1. Understood? Now we move on further. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, so how many? Do with your fingers. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So answer is what come, all students? 315. What? Answer is what, all students? 315. Understood, all students? Now we move on the question number A again, because of again and again we are learn this question. Okay, anyhow we learn this question. So now I am repeating you here. Question number 1 again. 360 minus 142. 360 minus 142. 0 minus 2. We cannot take out from 0 to 2. That's why I am taking borrow. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2. So how many? 8. 10 minus 2, 8. Then further cut the further digit and put the small digit 5. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. So how many, all students? 1. So that's why I am writing here 1. Again 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. So how many? 2. So answer is what, all students? 218. What? 218. Understood, all students? Now again question number B. Again question number B we have learned here. So 550 minus 235. 550 minus 235. So 0 minus 5. Is this possible? No, students, is this not possible? We cannot take out from 0 to 5. So that's why what we are doing that time, take the borrow, put the borrow. So take the 10 minus this 5. 10 minus 5. So how many students? 5. Understood? And then further what we are doing, cut the further digit and put the small digit. I am cut here the 5 and put the 4. So 4 minus 3 and 1. Understood? Then further 5 minus 2. So what I am wrote here, 5 minus 2, 3. We can remove from 5 to 5 minus 2. So answer is what? 3. So 350 is our answer. Understood, all of you? Now we are let's move on the question number C. Okay, students, let's check here the question number 2. Question number 2 is what? Question number C is what, students? 501. 501 minus 360. So let's start here the solving this question. 501 minus 360. So students, let's start here the solving this sum. 1 minus 0 we can take out from 1 minus 2, 1 into 0. Yes, we can take out from 1 to 0. So 1 minus 0. So how many students? 1. Understood? Then now further 0 minus 6. 0 minus 6. Is this possible, all students? No, is this not possible? So what can we do that time? We do take the borrow. 10 plus 0. So 10. 10 minus this 6. 10 minus 6. So how many, all students? 4. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Understood? So now what can we do? We do the further cut the further digit and put the small. So here cut the further digit and put the small digit 4. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. So how many students? 1. 4 minus 3. So 1. So answer is what? 141. What students? 141. Then now question number B is what? 400 minus 232. 400 minus 232. So here 400 minus 232. So now let's do here solve this question. 0 minus 2. Is this possible, all students? We can take out from 0 to 2. No, we cannot take out from 0 to 2. That's why what can we do that time? Take the borrow. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 this. So how many? 8. 10 minus 2, 8. Then cut the here further digit and put a small digit. 9 and minus this 3. 9 minus this 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to how many? 6. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, then further we are cut the further digit. No, because of here what here? Cut the further digit. Not no. We are what do that time? Cut the further digit. Okay, so because of what a reason for we are taking here small number? What a reason for we are cut this number? So its reasons for that because of we are taking here 9. That's why 3 minus 2. 3 this 3 this 3 and minus 2. 3 minus 2. So how many students? 1. Understood? Again I am repeating you here all sum. Understood? All means question number C and D. 501 minus 360. So 1 minus 0. So 1. 0 minus 6. Is this not possible? We cannot take out from 0 to 6. So 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6. So how many, all students? 4. Do with your finger. 10 minus 6. So 4. Understood? Then cut the further digit. Understood? So we cut the further digit here and put the small digit. 4 and cut the 5 and put the 4. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. So how many students? 1. 4 minus 3. So 1. Understood? And then now we move on. Question number D. 400 minus 232. So first of all 400 minus 232. 0 minus 2. We can take out from 0 to 2. No, we cannot take out from 0 to 2. So that's why take the borrow. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2. So how many, all students? 8. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Then further I am cut the number. Okay, put because of here 0. So what we are putting here? We are putting that time 9. 9 minus this 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to how many, all students? 6. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. And then again cut this number. So I am cutting here the 4 number and put the 3. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. So how many students? 2. Understood? Got my point, all students? This is very easy sum and already we do as like this sum. Now question number E. Question number E is what? 903 minus 176. 903 minus 176. So 903 minus 176. How can we solve here? So 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6. Is this possible, all students? No, is this not possible? 3 minus 6 is not possible. So that's why I am taking the borrow. 10 plus this 3. 10 plus 3. How many students? 13. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6. Do with your finger, all students. 13. Do with count with your fingers, all students. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6. So how many students? 7. How many? 7. Then what what can we do that time? Then further cut the further digit and put the small. So here is 0, so I am cutting here 0 and put the 9. 9 minus 7, we do with your fingers all students. 9 minus 7, so how many? 9 minus 7 is equal to how many? 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Then further again cut the digit further, because of that time we are taking the 9. So as a rules we are cut further digit and again put the small digit. So I am here cut the further digit 9 and put the small digit 8. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1, how many all students? 7. 8 minus 1, 7. Got my point all students? Then further question number F. Question number F is what? 405 minus 238. 405 minus 238. So students, let's solve here the question number F. 400 minus 5. 405 minus 238. So 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8. Is this possible, students? No, is this not possible? We cannot take out from 5 to 8. So what can we do that time? That time we are take the borrow. 10 plus 5. 10 plus this 5. So 15. 10 plus 5. So how many all students? Plus 5. So 15. Understood all students? So that time I am writing here the 15. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. So how many students? 7. 15 minus 8. So 7. Okay, then what can we do? We do the further digit. Cut the further digit and put the small digit. 9. 9 and 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. How many? 6. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, and then again we cut the that time. What can we do? Okay, we do the again cut the further digit, because of what in last place. What can we do that time? We cut the 0 and put 9. So whenever what is the rules? Whenever we take the 9, cut the 0, put the 9, and whenever we take the 9, so always we cut the further digit. How can we forget here the cut and this 4 and put a small digit 3? Understood? So I am cutting here 4 and put the small digit 3. 3 minus 2. So how many all students? 1. 3 minus 2. So how many? 1. Understood? Got my point all students? Then now again I am explaining you question number E. 903 minus 176. 903 minus 176. Got my point all students? Then after further here 903 minus 176. 3 minus 6. Is this possible? No, we cannot take out from 3 to 6. So 10. That time we take the borrow. 10 plus 3. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6. So how many all students? 13 minus 6. So 7. Then cut the further digit and put the 9. 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7. So how many students? 2. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Understood? Got my point all students? Then further cut the further digit 9 and put the 8. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1. So how many all students? 7. 8 minus 1, 7. Okay, so answer is what? 727. Okay, and then F. Question number F. 405 minus 238. So 405 minus 238. So 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8. Is this possible? No, is this not possible? So that time we take the borrow. 10 plus this 5. 15. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. So how many students? 15 minus 8. So 7. Okay, then cut the further digit. Put the 9. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. How many all students? 6. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. And then again we cut this digit 4 number and put the small. Because of what reason? We are taking that 9. So I am cut 4 number and put the 3. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. So how many was students? What? Got my points? This is your question number E and F. Now let's move on question number G and H. So let's start here the question number G and H. 710 minus 127. 710 minus 127. Understood? So now let's solve here the 0 minus 7. 0 minus 7 we can take out from 0 to 7. Yes or no? No, we cannot take out from 0 to 7. So at a time we take the borrow. 10 minus this 7. 10 minus 7. So how many all students? 3. Got my points. And then we cut the further digit. 1 is and put the small digit. So 0. So I am wrote 0 minus 2. Is this possible? No. 0 minus 2 not possible. So what can we do, students? That time take the borrow. Okay. So 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2. So how many? 8. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Understood? And now again we cut the further digit and put the small. 6. 7 cut. Put the 6. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is how many? 5. Understood? So answer is what? 583. 583 is our answer. Now question number H. Question number H is what? 615 minus 248. Again I am repeating you. 615 minus 248. So 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8. Is this possible, all students? No, is this not possible? So what can we do that time? 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5. So how many? 15. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. So 7. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Then cut the further digit again as like the same positions. Okay. So I am cut here the 1 and put the 0. 0 minus 4. Is this possible? No. No. So what can we do that time? That time we do put the borrow. 10. 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4. So how many all students? 4. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Understood? Then after again cut the further digit. 6. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. Is this possible, all students? No. Is this not possible? 6 minus 5. Is this not possible? So 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. How many students? 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Understood? Again I am repeating you all students. 710 minus 127. 0 minus 7 we cannot take out from 0 to 7. So take the borrow. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. And we cut the further digit and put the small digit. 0 minus 2. Again is this not possible? So 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2. So how many all students? 8. 10 minus 2 is equal to 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Understood? And then now we are move on further. So 7 cut and put the small digit. 6. 7 cut and put the small digit. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1. So how many all students? 5. So answer is what? 583. Now again question number H. Question number H is what? 615 minus 248. 650 minus 248. So 5 minus 8. Is this not possible? We cannot take out from 5 to 8. So take the borrow. 10 plus this 5. 15. 15 minus 8. So answer is 7. Again we cut the further digit. Put the small digit. 0 minus 4. Not possible. So 10. Put the borrow. 10. 10 minus this 4. 10 minus 4. So how many students? 6. 10 minus 4. So 6. Again we cut the further digit and put the small. 5. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. How many? 3. Got my point? Is this is your question number 2 is done. Exercise number 3rd C. Question number 2 is done. So now students, only exercise number 3rd C we can do only here. We question number C and D we are not doing or we are not performing. Okay, so students, let's start here the new topic. What is a new topic? Let's see here the today's new topic. Checking subtraction with addition. What? Checking a subtraction with addition. How can it possible? Yes, is this possible? Now let's see here by example. So checking the subtraction. How can we check addition? How can we check the subtraction with the using of addition? So we are confusing here. Is this possible? Subtraction with addition, checking subtraction with addition. So let's see here the take the by example. Through example we can learn here. Okay, so Jayanti has a very clever way of checking her subtractions. Okay, for example, Jayanti's teachers told him, Jayanti's teacher told her to, Jayanti, you check your subtractions cleverly. Okay, so what can do Jayanti? So Jayanti do checking her subtraction cleverly, very cleverly, without doing any mistakes. She used the addition, but what can do that time? She use addition. She puts back the number she took away to see if she gets the numbers it started with what? She put the back. Okay, she put the back. Where put she? Back side. Back the number she took away to see. Okay, took away to see if she gets the number she started with. So now how can it this possible? Jayanti do as like that, checking subtraction with additions, put the back number she took away, she see if she get the number she started with. How can it possible? So now let's see here how can it possible. Let's see here the students. So is as like this possible? Okay, 4 minus 2. So okay, first of all by example we are, let's see here how can it possible. 724 minus 412. 724 minus 412. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. Is this possible? No, is this not possible? Yes. Why this is not possible? We can take out from 4 minus 4 can take out from 2. Okay, into 4 we can take out from 2. So 4 minus 2. So answer is what? This answer 2. 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. Then 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, so students 1. And then here 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is how many? 3. So answer is what? 312. Answer is what was students? 312. 312 is our answer. Now here this sum is subtraction and here is addition. How can it possible? Okay, question is what? 312 plus 412. 312 plus 412. Now see, our subtraction answer is, addition answer is we put take on a upside. Okay, and this our question is also same in this place, and top side of this 3 digit is our addition answer. Now let's see here, 424 is here answer, 412 here is common 412, and 312 is our question of addition 312. So now we can solve here. Can we solve here the start? Okay, so here start the addition. 312 plus 412, 2 plus 2, 4, 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, how many all students? 4. Got my points all students? 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So answer is what? 724. So now you can see here 724 and here is what? 724. Okay, so 312 and this 312. It's called what? Checking subtraction with the addition. Understood? First of all we do the subtraction and check with this addition. Got my point all students? Now let's see here the second example. Question is what? 272. What? Question is what? 272 minus 138. 272 minus 138. So 2 minus 8. Is this possible? We cannot take out from 2 minus 8. So take the borrow. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8. So how many all students? 4. Okay, cut the further digit and put the small digit. 6. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. How many all students? 3. 6 minus 3. How many? 6 minus 3. 3. And 2 minus 1, so 1. So answer is what come? 134. Okay, and now we checking with the additions. We are here, what we have done here, we done the subtraction, but now let's check here by the addition. So now our last answer we are right in top side. 134 plus 138, 134 plus 138, 4 plus 8. So how many students? 12. 2 here and 1 carry form. Understood? This count carry in your mind. Remember, okay, keep it in mind, 1 carry. So here 2, 1 carry. Okay, as like how can we write the carry? 2 here and 1 carry. 3 plus 3, 6 and 1 carry. Okay, so 7. Then after 1 plus 1, so 2. So answer is what coming, all students? 272. Got my points? This is your subtraction with the checking by addition. Got my points? Now tomorrow we are take the more example and understand the what is checking subtraction with addition. Okay, and this exercise, I hope you understood all students better. I hope you all students understood betterly. Thank you so much all students. Thank you so much.